love you too. I think when Toshi and I were, let's see, somewhere around 10 years old, we were listening to like Queen. Yeah, we were listening every day. Kiss, Queen, Led Zeppelin, David Bowie. I like David Bowie too. He's so fucking cool. I think I said almost 6 years ago when we played Shepherd Bush Empire. It was our dream to be here. Then we promised at that moment we want to come back. There are so many artists from here influenced us. I think that's the what? What did you say? Okay, I love you too. Yes, I think that's the year Toshi and I started doing the band. So, yeah, so we are 10. Actually, that's the year I lost my father. Yes, we are listening like Queen, We Are the Champion, and Bicycle, and all those songs. Like, yeah. Then we are rocking just at my house, Toshi and I. Actually, Toshi was a guitar player at that time. Then, believe it or not, I was a vocalist. I know. There was like something not right with my voice. Well, I'm gonna sing before I die. I mean, I said in the film, like, swan sings only one time. so, so when I sing, we have to be careful. Anyway, so then we formed a band. At that time, it was a defined name. Then when we are 14, 15, something like that, we formed the band X. At that time we didn't know what to name, so just like, why don't we just name X for now, right? Then later we found out that X means like almost like an infinite possibility or something like this. We were like, whoa, it's so cool. So why don't we just name our band X? Then, Toshi and I went to Tokyo. I mean, we are not far away from Tokyo, a place called Chiba Prefecture. Okay, that's great, yes. Then, we met Pata first. Then we met Taiji. Then we met Hide. Then we started rocking Japan everywhere, even everywhere. At that time, we didn't have anything. We just had like a really, how do you say, broken, old car. Then I was a driver, and Hide was driver. Then Hide said he cannot drive at night time because he said his eyes are not good at night time. Come on, we only drive at night time. So pretty much I was the driver. Hide was just, singing or something. Just I told him to just cheer me up, so I don't fall asleep. Anyway, so we went to club. Sometimes we didn't have enough money, so we slept on the park. At that time, let's see, mosquito was our enemy, right? We were supposed to be like a fucking visual rock band, but we showed up like a mosquito bite everywhere, right? Then, we started playing arena, then eventually stadium. But those days, we were just rocking clubs. That was actually our best memory. When we started playing stadiums, we just took things for granted. I didn't know how valuable to have amazing members. Then, eventually, Toshi left. Then, a few months later, Hide passed away. So when X-Japan broke up, I never thought in a million years we're gonna get back together. Especially without him. But our fans, you guys, kept supporting us for all those years. love you. Well, that's why we are here. Because of you, we got reunited. We came back to the stage. I really want to thank you. Without you guys, I don't know if I was even alive. You guys gave us a second chance. So we're gonna keep on fucking rocking. Okay, so we'd like to dedicate next song to our proud fans and our friend Taiji and Hide. Let's sing along together, okay? I'm walking in the rain, 行くあてもなく傷ついたから濡らし絡みつく氷のざわめき殺し続
Bowie.